Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in to another video on my channel. This is as always Sarasu TCG and we are here with the, at least at time of recording, latest released set, the Tactical Masters, and a few extra boosters. I couldn't resist to buy some extra boosters. I'm gonna quickly rip this open and I'll be right back. Okay, here we have it. You may ask why I bought some extra boosters. That's because yesterday we played a Tactical Masters draft at the local TCG store at Kriegergilde Simbach. If you haven't checked them out already, you definitely should. And these are the packs that were left over, and then before anyone else buys it, I thought I buy it. Alright, so much to that. And we start right off with the first pack. Tactical Masters, or the card code is Tamer, whatever. Oh, right, we start right off with a good one. The Antimagische Duft, very good card, I like this one. Pendle Fusion, oh, that's a classic, absolute classic. Invader of Darkness, love this. Nice to see this get a reprint. Zenith Schalter, that's also a very old card. Trap Trick probably. Lilith. And oh my god, Whale Lance Welt Shinra Bancho. Alright. Oh, nice. I take it. The Cosmic Cyclone, also very good one. Senate Shot, what does it do? Huh, interesting. You can switch monster positions on the field. Nazuki der Whaltans Ninja, Lilith again, Trap Trick and Labyrinth Sperrfeuer. Okay. Yes, in every pack is a foil. 7 packs in total. 7 cards in total per pack and 24 packs in total. Zion der Waylands Bogenschütze. Kummer des Unterwicklers. Oh. Compulsory Device. Something like that. Good card. That's also a Jordan Luckbird. Also a good card. Astrograph-Zauberer. I have no clue. Scapegoat. Very nice. Must have card for Goat format. Nice. And runische goldene Tropfen. Okay. The golden droplet. Not the forbidden droplet. It's the golden droplet. Alright. Back check king thing. Labyrinth, Archfiends probably. Malice. Duelist Alliance. For Pendle monsters. Yeah. Exactly. Waylands Woodmaki. Alright. Imperial Iron Wall. Okay, no player can bench cards. And a ultra rare, our first ultra rare. Hugin, die runischen Schwingen. With 0 attack and 0 defense. Nice. Alright. So, the Book of, I don't know, Verfinsterung. Waylands Spannungsvikomt. And again, this thing. Lebe Willkommenslabyrinth. Bärenblock. I know this from the draft. The Bärenblocker. Oh god. Schnellverstärker. And another ultra rare. Ariane, die Labyrinth-Dienerin. Okay. I have to read through the card texts later. Not every card I pull here I have pulled in the draft, so I'm not familiar with all of those, but some I've seen before. Runische peinigende Sturm, Buch der Verfinsterung, Kummer des Unterweltlers, Scapegoat, the Invader of Darkness, of course, Labyrinth Schicard, and runisches aufblitzendes Feuer. Okay. The runic monsters are new archetype. As well as the Labyrinth. Even if a letter is missing at Labyrinth. but it should be probably Labyrinth. Don't know why they didn't name it like that. Anyway, this is Labyrinth. Kuckuck, die Kuckuck. Kuckuck. Runische peinigende Sturm. Labyrinth SiCat, the Backcheck Thing. Cosmic Cyclone. Kummer des Unterweltlers und runische die Golden Droplet again. Droll and Lockbird. Always take that. Violence Dominator Herzog. Naja, die Equation Device. Schnellverstärker, Leben willkommen Labyrinth, Malice and runische frostige Flüche. We hadn't that before. No, we hadn't. We Pendeltausch, I remember this from the draft. Die Duelist Alliance, runische Entzauberung, runische Schlummer, Bärenblocker, Invade of Darkness and runische Zerstörung, Runic Destruction, Runic Smash. I don't know. So, Wildlands Dominator Herzog. Pendel Fusion. Okay, gut. Pendeltausch, die Sphinx-Ding, die Backcheck and Labyrinth. Alright. Crazy names. Very individual names, of course. Very. Someone put a lot of thought in this card name. Labyrinth. Alright, Labyrinth, Erzunterhändler, Kaiserliche Eisenmaß, runische Verlockung, Duelist Alliance, Labyrinth Drach Lüsti, der kleine Lustmolch, Kosmozyklon und runische Zerstörung. Again. Runic Destruction. Also collector's rares are in here. If you get a collector's rare, very nice. That's my style. Reckless Greed, nice card. Malice, Kaiserliche Eisenmaß, runische Verlockung, Lilith, Labyrinth Archfiend and Waylands Sprengbau. Alright. I have no clue about pendulum monsters. And I haven't used pendulum monsters. And I probably will never use pendulum monsters. Anyway, Waylands Wutmarquis, Schnellverstärker, Astrograph Zauberer, Kaiserliche Eisenmaß, Invade of Darkness, die Reckless Greed and Munin, die Runic Wings, probably. At least it is 2000 death. Not 0 attack and death. Then the other one. Alright. Lilith, Runic Slumber, probably. The Equation Device, Labyrinth Kuckuck, the Scapegoat, the Labyrinth SiCat, and here is the collector's rare. Oh my god. Look at that. The runic tip, spear tip. Oh, I love these collector's rares. They are so nice. Truly amazing cards. Absolutely. Oh, that's nice. Cool. That's yep, Tactical Masters, thank you very much for this collector's rare. Woohoo. Maybe we get another one. Okay. Now I'm greedy. Now I'm getting greedy. Alright. Pendeltausch. Buch der Verfinsterung. Nazuki, der Weltans Ninja. Pendel Fusion. Runische Schlummer. Trap Trick and Wayland's Genesis. Großherzog. Machine Fusion Pendulum Effekt. Nice. Okay, that's Labyrinth, mein Drachlüst hier again. Zion, der Waylands Bogenschütze, Schnellverstärker, runische Entzauberung, der Bierblocker. Pendle Fusion and Waylands World Shinra Bancho. Oh, that's a field spell. I oversaw that. The packs are actually very nice. I don't know why they put it, you know. But in the back it looks nice, and I'm really curious what that thing is. Was it that guy before? No. I really want to see what that guy is. The evil looking guy in the back. I want to pull this one. Trap trick. Labyrinth Kukur. To Duelist Alliance. Astrograph Magician. Wayland's Mood. The Rain of Darkness. And Giri. The Runic Fangs, probably. Always takes 2 runic monsters. But I haven't seen any runic monsters until yet. And also not in the draft. Probably they get support later. In some time in the future. Cosmic Cyclone, Wayland's Spannungsrekommt, the Backcheck, Pendeltausch, Reckless Greed, the thing, and again our Shinra Bancho. So, SiCaTra again. Our evacuation device, Malice, runische Entzauberung, die Bierblocker, runische peinigende Sturm, and Hojo. Hojo, the Wayland's Warrior. Ah, okay, I see. So the evil looking one is probably also one of those Wayland's cards, whatever Wayland's means. Supposed to mean. Reckless Greed, Labyrinth Drachlustig, Zion, der Wayland's Archer, Wayland's Dominator, Herzog, Skyboat, Lebenswillkommensrebel, and grausiger Trick des Erzunterwäldlers. I know this from the draft. This is a cool card. Probably gonna run this in my Fiend deck. Because it says if I control a Fiend type monsters, I can target one card on the field and then destroy the targeted card, and then I can send one Fiend type monsters from my deck to the grave. And yeah, my whole deck is based around getting cards into my grave, so I can use it from my grave. So this is not bad. Pendle Fusion, SiCaTra, Trap Trick, Zion, Kummer des Unterwäldlers, Troll and Luckbird, and oh, nice. Again this one. Someone listened to me and said, alright, give this man another one of these trap cards. He needs it in his deck. Astrograph-Zauberer, Backcheck, Labyrinth Archfiend, Malice, Duelist Alliance, Wayland's Wood Marquis, and again our Hojo. The Hojo. The Wayland's Warrior. 2 packs, no, we have a few packs more left from the draft. The leftover packs from the draft. Imperial Iron Wall, die Runic peinigende Sturm, Buch der Verfinsterung, Kummer des Unterweltes, Scapegoat, Invader of Darkness, and Labyrinth Sperrfeuer. Okay. Dann Runic Loco. Natsuki, der Wayland's Ninja, Wayland's Spannungsbekommt, Lilith, Kummer des Unterwelters, Evacuation Device, and Runic Shining Fire. No, probably not. So again, evacuation device. Now I have a lot of copies of this one. Nice staple. Trap Trick, Lebenswillkommens, Labyrinth, Kummer des Unterwäldlers, Pendeltausch, Astrograph-Zauberer, and Runic Destruction. Oh, pack was Slate, Runic, what dispel? No. Labyrinth, Archfiend, the Beer Blocker, Duelist Alliance, Reckless Greed, nice, Malice, and Wayland's Welt. We didn't pull that before. König Wissen, King Knowledge, probably. Another, again a field spell, so these Wayland's things have 2 field spells. Alright, why not? Malice again, Natsuki, Wayland's Wutmarkie, Runische Schlummer, Runische Peinigen, Sturm, Cosmos Cyclone, and Wayland's Blast Baron, probably. The Blast Baron. So that's Scapegoat, what a surprise. Runic Entzauberung, Beer Blocker, Labyrinth Chica, Trap Trick, Labyrinth Kukua, and again our Shinra Banjo. And Wayland's Wutmarkie. Runische Schlummer, sorry. Runische Peinigen der Sturm, Cosmic Cyclone, Kummer des Unterweltes, Backcheck, and Runic Golden Droplet. Okay. Last pack. Last pack, the last 2 packs from the draft. Or the last pack from the draft. In Raid of Darkness, Reckless Greed, Trollin Luckbird, Pendle Fusion, Evacuation Device, Trap Trick, and Wayland's again this one. Wayland's Genesis Grand Duke, probably. Alright. We got a collector's rare. That's very nice. I take it. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Really beautiful. So here we have it. 5,000 rares. That is Tactical Masters. A lot of nice reprints in here. I already seen at the draft, but now you have already seen that. Anyway, as always, thank you very much for watching, and until next time, goodbye.